Understanding, get the vibe, in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you've probably heard before, get the vibe. This phrase is all about feelings and atmosphere, and understanding it can really help you connect with native speakers. So, let's get the vibe of this expression together. Get the vibe is an informal phrase that means to understand and feel the general atmosphere or emotions of a place, situation, or person. It's about sensing the underlying mood without it being explicitly stated. Think of it as using your intuition to pick up on the social cues around you. To really grasp how to use get the vibe, let's look at some examples. When I walked into the room, I immediately got the vibe that something was wrong. Do you get the vibe that he's not telling us everything? The music festival had such a friendly atmosphere. I really got the good vibes there. Interestingly, vibe can also be a noun or an adjective. As a noun, it refers to the feeling you get from a person or place. For example, this cafe has a really chill vibe. As an adjective, it can describe something that creates a particular feeling. They played some vibe music to set the mood. The word vibe is often associated with cultural trends and music scenes. It's a key term in discussions about social dynamics and how we interact with environments and individuals. Understanding this term can offer insight into subtle communication among English speakers. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you feel more confident in using the phrase, get the vibe. It's a fun and informal way to talk about our perceptions and feelings. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be picking up on all the vibes around you. Until next time, keep learning and keep vibing.